How do you know that DJI has changed the hibernation on your camera? They mention that up to 8 hours be on standby as long as you don't touch it. Then it shuts down and you have a full startup once again. I used my camera definitely 4 hours ago, and 4 hours later, it's on full startup once again. When I'm finished with this vlog, I'm going to count 4 hours plus and see if that holds true for me. This is where nowhere in the notes online by DJI, but telling us please visit the official site for more information. And this goes for every single update. We do get information on the updates, optimize this, did that, but in very general terms. What did I hit that caused me a blank screen in the front? You ever gonna notice that bugs and minor issues, you're never gonna know what they are? And all this information is just basically repeated again. First generation, second generation, etc., etc. We're on the 5th generation, probably repeated 5 times over. Here on Fish. Thank you for coming to the show. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. We were here the other day, did a shot. We put the camera down, but I was too low to the floor. Let's go get some more sample shots. It's a real nice bright day, last of the warm days. And I use Wondershare Filmora 13 that does not do H.265 codecs. In the render, that is. So whatever I render is MP4. Maybe I'll change the MP4 to something different and see if it will do H.265. The horse is out. It probably sees me. Will it neigh? I got a shot of the horse, but I don't see the pig out today. Well, let's get on biking to where I need to be at. Bicycle, that's the mode I'm on. So going on bike riding in the correct mode. I shot video prior. I did a ECH scooter with subject tracking. And when I put the camera facing this way, looking down, it went all over the place. It didn't hold strong with tracking. As I learned the camera my way for the things I do and the ways I like to do things, these are my notes I share to you. I do have the video, I could show it to you. But yeah, I put it on 4K 60, 4K 30, and my screen flickers like the control panel. The camera doesn't do anti-flickering good. So I have to adjust the shutter, which I really shouldn't. The flicker should handle it if asked. So as I look back, Action 4 should do mighty fine. But is the Action 5 Pro going to be the better camera? Or is it just some of the gimmicks that they put in, trying to sell you on the market? Saying, hey, look what we got. Come over here. Maybe you like what we have than the other company. You may call it competition. Is the Action 4 and Action 5 competition? Is the Ace Pro 2, Ace Basic competition? Is the GoPro Hero 2024 or the Hero 11, 12, 13 competition? I'll leave that up to you, not to me. I'm just showing you comparisons of what I got. I like this propeller. That's plastic, man, with wood. Plastic on the outside, wood, painted. Yeah, does it still spin? Can we get it to spin? Woo, yeah, baby, look at that bad boy. How you like this propeller? Watch this. Watch this trick. You ready? Oh, yeah, man. How you like this propeller? It's got like a coating on it, made of wood. Little damage. Think it still could fly? Shave it down some? Sure. You see the flies flying? I do. Do you? Is that worth making a 960 frames per second video? If I can't see it, let's give it a shot. My front screen just went blank. It was off. So I did that screen on. It's worth doing that 960 frame video for a second and see what happens. I did save it. A minute later, I'm done. I'm gonna head on out, maybe get to a different spot and have a little chat, a little talk. Did you get your Action 5 Pro yet? You're still waiting, thinking about it? Did you notice that for the longest, you want to get a door, a port USB door, you're gonna have to get a 3D printer or pay $40. Everybody's charging that amount of money. They could really make a door for 15 and people will buy it in a heartbeat. DJI will win, you will win, win-win both ways. I can't find a spot to chat. Every spot I've taken is so popular. So I'm gonna head on out and I shared my fun, did what I had to do, talk my talk. But if you're looking for an Action 5 and you're just on the fence and you don't know what to do, you may just want to hold on a little longer. Just wait for the next update. Maybe to improve it, maybe not. People are not happy. Some are not. If I put my Action 5 Pro down and grab my Action 4, I probably would just, say, hey, I'm pleased, I'm happy. I could deal without the, super night. I could deal without the subject tracking. And yeah, I could go back and forth. Pocket 3, Action 4, back and forth. So if I was to, get another camera like GoPro, Hero 13 or Insta Ace Pro, I'll probably, put down the Action 5 Pro anyway. And start to use that camera and just say, hey, that's what I do. I use the recent stuff I got and I just basically see what my last camera, hey, how come I haven't picked that up? Like the Pocket 3. Don't get me wrong, I'm just saying. I'll give you one good reason why I wouldn't put down the Action 5 Pro. The DJI Mic 2 wireless connection. Spot on. That's the only reason I would say I'm very pleased. 8-bit, 10-bit, normal color, that don't bother me. Bitrate, don't bother me. It makes my job a lot easier when I put it to an editor. More or less, it's the person behind the camera that does the job and what they do. You want to make a good video? Just grab what you got and go have fun. Don't worry about anybody else and what they do. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come.